Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bronze Beauty Diaries, and in this video I'm going to do a quick get ready with me. If you guys want to know how I achieved this look, then please continue watching. So if you guys follow me for quite some time now, you guys know I don't like to use any foundation. It's been a heck of a time that I have used foundation, and I really like minimal base makeup. Back in the days I used to watch videos get ready with me, and I used to do cakey makeup looks, which is absolutely not appropriate for this humid season or tropical climate, for that matter any Indian climate. So I stopped doing that over the time with experience. I believe in a very good skin prep, like a glowy skin prep, and be it oily skin or be it dry skin, do a good skin prep and then just do a minimal makeup look, minimal base. By now I am okay if my flaws are seen. I don't want a full coverage look. Again, this is subjective. If you guys have a wedding to attend or a festive season, of course you have to do a full coverage look, but for now, in this time period, I don't like any full coverage look, so I use a minimal base makeup, like only concealer, and it's okay if my acne marks and scars are seen. But for today, touch wood, my skin is just doing good. Like, I have very minimum acne scars, and I also don't have any acne right now, so I am like thankful. And I just went ahead with this K Beauty concealer. I prepped my skin, as you guys saw, with the Foxtale moisturizer, which I'm currently loving because it does have a little silicone texture, which makes it perfect base for oily or combination skin type. And I used the new L'Oreal lip oil, which is like little bit plumping as well. I like that. And now here I'm going ahead with the Insight concealer, which is definitely two shades lighter than my skin tone, but it does oxidize. And I like the concealer. It's very creamy. Provided if you guys get a shade, then definitely do try out the concealer. It's very inexpensive. I think it's for 120 rupees at offer or something. Then I am going ahead with this Etude Dear Darling tint. All the details and the product shade name, everything is mentioned on the screen, as well as is going to be mentioned in the description box below. So definitely check it out. And if you guys have any queries, like, feel free to drop in a comment section. I'm always very interactive and I always reply to each and every comment. So here I highlighted my under eye, and I'm removing my crease, and I'm using my favorite powder of this time today is from Gege, and I love this pink powder because it does not leave any white cast. Sets my makeup so nicely. Okay, by the way guys, this video is completely unsponsored. None of the products are like sent out to me or anything. And I am using this new Europe Girl brow palette. You guys know I love brow palette. I don't like pencil or pomade, so I'm using that palette. This is what it's a new palette, and I am really loving it. So I'm mixing these two shades of dark brown and a little bit of black. And my brow routine just takes hardly 15 to 20 seconds, because I just take any powder and just randomly put it all over my eyebrows and then just comb it out with this spoolie. That works so nicely for me. So yes, and then I'm using this very old Mars palette, and it's not expired, by the way guys, but yeah, I'm just using a random neutral shade to define my crease, and then going with a light pink shade, because I think blue के साथ थोड़ा pink अच्छा लगता है, and then going with this gold shimmer. After such a long time, I'm doing such eye makeup look, because I normally just wear mascara for any event or any function, but I really liked getting ready this time. And then I'm just blending everything. Blending is the key. Take a little bit of shadow and just blend it out. That's all. Doing the same thing underneath my eyes as well, for my lower water line and the lash line. And then going ahead with the mascara. But before that, I do have a couple of things to say with K Beauty eyeliner. This is the blue eyeliner, so I thought it would be like a pop of color because I was wearing a blue kurta. But unfortunately, this eyeliner I'm not able to make it work. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what are your thoughts about this eyeliner, because I am lightly disappointed with the K Beauty products right now. Earlier it was like bang on their foundation, their compact powder, their loose powder. I used to love K Beauty products, but right now I'm like, I'm not sure. And the prices are also quite expensive. They're not like super affordable as they used to be. It was not affordable, it was like mid-range, but right now they have upped their prices and everything is above 1,000 or something. And this eyeliner is, first of all, is not showing up like blue, it's like looking like black only. And the second of all, I was not able to work it through my lower waterline. It was just going so patchy and I didn't like it. Then I'm using my favorite mascara at this moment. This is the Hilary Rhoda mascara. Of course, I got this in PR but unsponsored. I am loving this mascara and it's very inexpensive as well. I'm using the same palette to chisel out my cheekbones a little bit. Bronzer contour abhi bahut kam ho gaya hai. Like, people have stopped using it, and I also, like, down the lane, I've stopped using bronzer. I know I was so addicted to bronzer once upon a time, like 2-3 years back. Bronzer was like must in my मेकअप रूटीन, बट आजकल कोई यूज़ नहीं करता है. आजकल सिर्फ क्रीम, ब्लशर्स एंड टिंट्स का ज़माना है. बट या, समटाइम्स यू लाइक टू चिजल आउट योर cheek bones. It does look very put together. So I'm using the same highlighter as well. I am running out of highlighter, guys, so please do comment in the comment section some good highlighter. I want to buy and I want to, like, start using highlighters because all my highlighters are expired. I don't have anything at the moment. Then afterwards, I thought I'll do a quick shower in the Swiss Beauty new makeup fixer. This is the very first time I'm using this, and I was a little scared that it's gonna leave a blotch or something, but the mist was so fine. I was so much intrigued and very much surprised. However, this was first impression, so I'm not gonna give you the full review. Wait for the full review. But I think it did good pretty job in setting my makeup. Then I'm going with this Inside Cosmetics ka lip liner, which is slightly bolder, but it works very good as a lip liner. And then I'm going with the Inside Lip Crayon as well, because again, as I said, I think pink goes well with blue outfits, and that's what I'm applying. This is transfer proof, very comfortable lip crayon. And in that, 1 2 3, I am done. This is my final look. I had a big time in styling my hair, because you guys know I got a bang, and that bang looks so ugly with Indian outfit, but I just tried to make it work. Let me know in the comment section, and I shall see you in the next